About to reveal a concept that may stir up a bit of controversy, but is essential for any content creator or business who wants to elevate their social media game. Now, there's a fine line between copying and stealing in this creative world. And as the legendary artist Picasso once said, good artists copy, great artists steal. Or as I would put it, steal like a ninja. It'd be great when you can become awesome. Now, before you roast me in the comments and you're starting to raise an eyebrow, I can see it. You're doing it right now. In an age where originality is often celebrated, it can feel really daunting to draw inspiration from others. When I used to start making content, I really did think that my content had to be 100% original for it to be valuable. I felt it had to be completely unique. But this left me with lots of disappointment and frustration. And as I navigated my way through this content creation journey, I learned a very valuable lesson, and that lesson is inspiration is literally everywhere, and this is a vital element of growing on social media. So instead of shying what others are doing, embracing and transforming these ideas can lead to a remarkable innovation of your own work. Now, let me just clarify something. When I'm saying stealing, I'm not talking about plagiarism here. I am not advocating plagiarism at all, and that means copying and stealing someone's work word for word and then taking credit for it. That's just being a shit, and someone's worked really hard to make that piece of content. What I really mean here is looking at pieces of content, even styles or themes that really resonate with you but also with your ideal audience, and then transforming and representing these yourself with your own unique spin, unique perspective, different thoughts, different opinion, added more value. By doing this, not only does it allow you to enhance your content but never run out of content ideas, plus get content people actually looking for and content people want to engage with and watch. It allows you to build stronger connections with your audience and always drive growth to your channel or channels. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embrace that concept, how to find the best content ideas and put your own spin on them in the easiest possible way. So if you watch this video to the very end and implement the tips and strategies I'm about to give you, this is going to totally transform your content creation game while accelerating your growth on social media. So let's dive in. So first of all, I've got another cheeky quote for you, and that quote is, if you steal from one author, it's called plagiarism. If you steal from many, it's research. Now, this mindset is crucial. Everything you see on social media is a remix of what somebody has already created. So instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, polish it. And you can do this by learning the rules of the game and then use them to your advantage. That's some other ninja strategies you can use to steal your competitors' followers without them even knowing, while getting new inspiration for content ideas. I want you to remember, write this down if you have to, write it even on your forehead. If you're not creating videos that people are actually interested in, videos that people are looking for, then how can you expect you to get noticed? And if you're just following trends all the time, you risk just blending in with the rest of the crowd. So this is the easiest and best way to find inspiration from other content creators. So let's think about finding inspiration from your competitors in the easiest possible way. The first step is going to be research. You use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and find creators that are absolutely crushing it. And you can use this by using the search filters or hashtags, for example. So if your niche is marketing, you can type in the search bar marketing or use that hashtag and see what comes up. So one tool you can utilize to see the most popular videos from the best creators is the Chrome extension sort for TikTok. And this will show the highest number of views and likes down to lowest. And this allows you to pinpoint what videos are doing best, the type of delivery, the length, what hooks they're using. But the main goal is to find videos that stand out with your ideal audience and videos that are also resonating with them as well. If you use TikTok on browser, this feature already exists for you to click on their profile. If you want to find out what's currently trending right now for inspiration, then filter on the search sections of these social media platforms the most recent and look at the views and comments and engagement. If those videos are doing really well and starting to blow up, then there's a very good chance that your content is going to blow up as well if you talk about the same subject theme but put your own unique spin on it. Now, as I've just shown you some cool ways to easily find popular content ideas, if you use TikTok, you've also got the creator search insights feature, which can show you what your followers are searching for and what's trending right now. On YouTube, we have the inspiration and audience tab features, which are very similar also. Now, I've shown you some easy ways to find the best content ideas. Now we're going to use the power of AI to help you create them. And this is where things get really cool and interesting. So make sure you've watch this video to the end or you're going to miss out. Trust me. Once you have identified some high-performing content, we're going to use AI to help you leverage even more ideas and help you script. For example, you find a successful video on YouTube and you are going to copy the URL, and then you're going to find a YouTube transcriptor. Put this in the transcriptor and it's going to show you the whole video in text format, transcript. You can then copy and paste this into ChatGPT, then ask ChatGPT to summarize it using bullet points or key points. You could also ask ChatGPT to simply reword the video and add more value and talk in the tone you want. For example, direct, firm, casual, funny, witty, in a way children would relate or understand. And this gives you a solid foundation to work on. Now, the cool thing about this is you can keep adding more value to ChatGPT and keep tweaking the video script. And this is how you put your own spin on it. You can even get ideas from one creator and blend them in with your own ideas to create a better video. So I really do encourage you to put your own unique spin on things, add additional insights, and this will really help you stand out and differentiate your content while creating content that people are searching for. The power of AI doesn't stop there. If you're making short form videos and you want to create viral ones, you could also use this really neat ChatGPT template. What you do is find the video of your choice that you want to talk about, transcript it into ChatGPT, followed by putting in this prompt. What will happen is ChatGPT will give you 10 viral short form content ideas. And all you have to do is just reply to the number you want to talk about and it'll create a viral piece of content for you. And it's not going to be 100% amazing, but this is where you tweak things to your style and add more value. And this gives you a really cool foundation to work from. Another cool transcriptor you can use is TalkScript. And with this will help you get the transcript from short form video platforms, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. You can put the transcript into ChatGPT and do the same thing again, what we've already talked about. So we're doing the same thing, what we did with our long form content for YouTube, but now we're doing it with short form videos as well. How easy is that to make viral, engaging content that resonates with your ideal audience? So now let's talk about stealing like a ninja, stealing your competitors' followers without them even knowing about it. And these are really easy to do and a really good effective way of growing organically. It's only costing you your time. So one of the most powerful ways to grow and steal your competitors' followers is simply engagement. Engage with your competitors' posts. Leave genuine, thoughtful comments on the post. They can be witty and funny if you want. And there's a very good chance that your competitors' followers are going to see your comment. Even better if it gets pinned or goes to the top. And they'll check out your profile. Now, if you've optimized your profile in the right way and you've got content that resonates with this audience, and it should do because you're in the same niche, then there's a very good chance they will drop you a follow. Now, if you see unanswered questions in the comment section of your competitors, why don't you answer them yourself? Or better yet, create videos addressing them. And what you can do is once you have answered the question of that person who answered it, once you've posted your video, why don't you like their comment on that question? Or why don't you go to their profile and engage with their most recent posts? This is going to make them think, oh, why's this person done that? And they're going to check out your profile. So check out profile. Oh my God, the subject they were questioning about, you've just answered for them. So there's a good chance they'll follow you. You can also interact on their stories or when they're hosting a live. But make sure you really do this in a genuine way. And you are being genuine. And these are people you actually want to connect with. And you can do it to help build a community. And if you don't want to build a community and you don't really care, you just want to grow, then fine. That's your call. But by doing this, not only gives you valuable insights for new content ideas, but it enhances your visibility in your niche. Some social media platforms like TikTok, although they take it off and they put it back on and off, on and off, on and off a lot, is they have Q&A section. So look at the Q&A sections of the most popular creators, see what people are asking them, or look at yours yourself, and then create content based on those subjects. That's another great way of getting people to pay attention to you. You can also look at community sections tab on YouTube and see what questions are in the comments, and do the same thing once again, like I said about TikTok and Instagram, like their post and do a video about it. If you really wanted to, you could even send them a DM saying, hey, I noticed you're struggling with this subject. Just to let you know, I've done a tutorial or video about it if you want to check it out. Really casual way of connecting with new people. Another strategy you could do, ping on the notifications feature of the best creators in your niche, and as soon as they've done a new post, you'll know straight away. Leave a comment straight away with value, entertainment. There's a much better chance of your comment to get seen. You could also engage with your competitors' followers, jump onto their posts, leave them a compliment, and leave genuine, thoughtful comments on their posts. This also gives you value or entertainment, or something that stands out. Now, if you struggle rating valuable, genuine, engaging comments, check out my description for some resources you can use with already made templates, which you just simply copy and paste. Job done. Because by doing this helps you build credibility in your niche and draws attention from their followers. If they're using their own hashtag for a competition or a theme or a challenge, jump onto that hashtag section, look at the posts, and engage with those posts to get the attention from their followers. You could even join in the challenge yourself to get the attention of their followers. If you are participating in any challenges though, I really do recommend for you to put your own unique voice and spin on them to stand out and shine. You could use the art of reciprocation and repost their content, then drop them a comment on their post and say, awesome video, etc., reposted, because they may reciprocate the favor themselves and repost one of your videos at a later date, meaning their followers are going to see your content and they might drop you a follow. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. You can create reaction content. For example, on TikTok, we have duets and stitches. Instagram and YouTube have similar features also. And choose posts that are gaining lots of traction or really popular for their account. When doing this content, make sure you're being authentic. Your reactions really should be genuine here. Share your thoughts, your critiques, personal experiences, views. Add value, because this will all encourage shares. And also when you're making these pieces of content, these reactions, ask for engagement. Ask your audience, what do they think, their opinions, their experiences. This invites interaction, creates a sense of community feel. If you want to go one step further with this, you can also embed your reaction video content onto your blog or just write a text version of it. Asking ChatGPT once again to summarize your video into a blog post with bullet points, which will be great to help your blog post get discovered with SEO and tags. So there you have it, from leveraging content that has been searched for, trending content, viral content, engaging with your competitors' followers, to utilizing the power of AI. Dealing like an artist or ninja can really transform your social media game and help you build genuine connections. Remember, it's all about finding inspiration and then being able to put your own spin on it. It's also about, and I'm talking about with engagement here, being noticed so you can be visible, so people are paying attention to you. If you found these tips and strategies helpful, smash that like button so I know. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. And if you need any more help using the strategies and tips I have mentioned, using templates to make your life a lot easier and quicker, then check out the resources in my description. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.